Welcome to my channel. My name is Actrozolt and this is your one-stop shop to all things speedrunning and learning things fast.
Give me that. Plus 21! That's 392, bitch! That is Challenger tier!
Into the corner! Energy still around! Justin is there for the shot! Justin! This is Rocket League!
Guys, we can end. It's okay, it's over. Guys, we are the fucking champions!
Nice!
We are the fucking
This is the channel where I prove that anything is possible as long as you put your mind to it and you have fun while doing it. Because I strongly believe if you have fun while trying to get good at a video game, those two things will go hand in hand and you will do brilliantly in any game that you play. I believe that gaming is on a downward trend because it's more about made up rank on your screen right nowadays than actually enjoying it. So if you want to enjoy your games while ranking up, this channel is the best for you. So subscribe for weekly guides and speedruns that'll be sure to make you die with laughter.